Imagine a world where the dinosaurs were just the tip of the terrifying iceberg. While those prehistoric giants might give you chills, what if I told you there were creatures lurking in Earth's past that would make even the mightiest dinos quiver? Brace yourselves, because we're diving into a realm of creatures more colossal, more menacing, and more bone-chilling than your wildest dino nightmares. From massive serpents to abyssal behemoths, get ready to meet the true rulers of ancient fear. These are the animals that outshined even the dinosaurs in the spine-tingling department. Number 1. Dunkleosteus. Immerse yourself in the annals of history to encounter aquatic inhabitants that rival the terror of dinosaurs themselves. Amid this prehistoric menagerie, one name stands out: Dunkleosteus, an ancient underwater predator that commands attention. Transporting us back to the late Devonian period, a staggering 370 to 360 million years ago, it predates the era of dinosaurs. This period is renowned as the Age of Fish, and within its watery domain, Dunkleosteus reigned supreme. With an impressive length of 26 to 32 feet, this creature's sleek, armored physique and its formidable head mark it as a true apex predator. While Dunkleosteus lacked conventional teeth, it boasted unique bony blades, finely tuned instruments of destruction capable of snapping and crushing anything that dared cross its path. Its culinary preferences range from fish to sharks, and astonishingly, it didn't shy away from preying on its own kind. A fascinating aspect of this ancient predator lies in the mechanics of its weaponry. The continuous friction between its bony blades ensured their razor-sharp edge, akin to nature's own self-sharpening system. Now let's delve into some remarkable numerical figures. The focus shifts to bite force. Dunkleosteus could exert an astonishing 8,000 pounds of bite force per square inch, a colossal feat that dwarfs the comparably modest bite force of approximately 650 pounds per square inch generated by a lion. Yet within this larger-than-life narrative, an Achilles' heel surfaces, an insatiable appetite that occasionally led to digestive discomfort. Fossil evidence paints a picture of fish remains found alongside Dunkleosteus fossils, hinting at instances where its voracity perhaps exceeded its digestive capabilities. This revelation humanizes the creature, reminding us that even amidst ancient waters, the primal instinct of gluttony held sway. Thus, the story of Dunkleosteus emerges as an unparalleled chronicle of the ancient aquatic world, juxtaposing its fearsome power with the occasional vulnerability stemming from its insatiable hunger. Number 2. Kraken. The kraken, a legendary sea creature, has captured seafarers' imaginations for centuries. But could this myth have roots in reality? In 1857, Danish naturalist Japetus Steenstrup found a colossal squid beak, leading him to name it Architeuthis dux, or ruling squid, suggesting that the kraken might indeed exist. Around 21 giant squid species have been identified through fragments washed ashore. Despite this, finding a complete specimen remains akin to seeking a needle in a massive oceanic haystack. Among these sea giants, the colossal squid stands out. As the largest living species, it boasts an estimated weight of up to 1,500 pounds and a potential length of 33 feet. Not quite kraken-sized, yet impressively sizable. Delving deeper, we encounter Professor Mark McMenamin's provocative theory. He proposes that during the early Triassic period, massive squids, possibly 100 feet long, could have roamed prehistoric waters. These behemoths might have preyed on ichthyosaurs, marine reptiles akin to modern dolphins. McMenamin presented this groundbreaking concept in 2011, backed by fossilized vertebrae patterns resembling sucker discs on cephalic tentacles. His argument draws from modern cephalopods' behaviors, like octopuses collecting items in their lairs. Critics voiced skepticism about cephalopods hoarding prey and accused McMenamin of interpreting ancient bones with fortune-telling tendencies. However, McMenamin returned to the Nevada site in 2013, unearthing another fossil fragment. He believes it's a section of a massive Triassic kraken's beak. While the fossil's fragmentary nature prevents precise size determination, McMenamin's speculations leave room for past colossal squid. The oceans, with a mere 5% explored, might conceal even more impressive and spine-tingling creatures than the giant squid, evoking stirring thoughts of ancient mysteries lurking beneath the waves. Number 3. Andrew's Sarcus. It's hard to imagine anything named Andrew being more terrifying than a dinosaur, but this creature proves otherwise. While no complete Andrewsarchus skeleton exists, a part of its skull, discovered in Mongolia in 1923, measured nearly 3 feet in length. The expedition leader, Roy Chapman Andrews, identified it as a carnivore due to its massive teeth, naming it Andrewsarchus mongoliensis after himself. The sole specimen found dates back to the Eocene era, around 36 million years ago. Paleontologists reconstructed its body based on the skull and its relation to the prehistoric Mesonyx, revealing a 16-foot-long, 6-foot-high, nightmare-inducing vision. This wolf-like creature walked on 4 short legs, had a long body and tail with hoofed feet. Its snout boasted large, bone-crushing teeth, potentially weighing between 1,764 to over 2,200 pounds. This size makes Andrewsarchus the largest known meat-eating land mammal that ever existed. Surprisingly, it's more closely related to hippos and whales, both belonging to the artiodactyls group. Since we have limited remains, debating whether it actively hunted or scavenged remains unanswered. One thing is certain: encountering Andrewsarchus would be a risk I wouldn't want to take. Number 4. Terror birds. Scientists coined the perfect moniker for these ancient creatures: the Forus racidae terror birds. This name resonates with the true essence of their existence, for these birds were not handed the title of terror lightly. To truly comprehend their magnificence and terror, envision a world post-meteor impact, where iconic dinosaurs like the T-Rex and Velociraptor had met their end. In this tumultuous prehistoric era, the terror bird emerged, vying for the position of South America's apex predator. With unparalleled tenacity, it defended this throne for an astonishing 60 million years. Towering at heights of up to 10 feet, adorned with T-Rex-like feet and a formidable hooked beak, the terror bird was a force to be reckoned with. A single, precise blow from its beak could sever a horse's spinal cord, showcasing its capacity for swift and lethal strikes. This era of dominance unfolded when Central America remained undiscovered and South America stood as an isolated island on the geographical map. As saber-toothed cats and wolves claimed supremacy in other parts of the world, South America provided the perfect haven for herbivorous mammals, leaving a niche that the terror birds expertly exploited. With herbivorous animals as their prey and minimal competition, these colossal creatures savored a carnivorous feast unlike any other. Armed with beaks resembling pickaxes, they honed their technique of delivering lethal downward strikes, brutally cracking the skulls of smaller prey. Their bony heads acted as natural meat tenderizers, while their massive clawed feet were equally lethal. Employing these feet, they administered swift and forceful kicks to their hapless victims, ensuring a swift end. Over their enduring reign of 60 million years, the terrorbird family showcased an astonishing array of 17 species, each briefly ascending to prominence before fading into history approximately 2.5 million years ago. This chronicle casts even the seemingly innocuous street pigeons in a new, intriguing light, a stark contrast to the awe-inspiring terrorbirds of antiquity. Number 5. Titanoboa. Around 60 million years ago, in the Paleocene epoch, Colombia's murky waters concealed a colossal creature, the Titanoboa. This serpent, far larger than a green anaconda, stretched nearly 50 feet long and weighed around 2,500 pounds, making modern anacondas seem light in comparison. Despite the temptation to envision epic battles between Titanoboa and T-Rex, a temporal distinction is essential. This behemoth emerged millions of years after the dinosaurs' reign, during an era marked by escalated conditions, heightened temperatures, increased humidity, and amplified sizes. Titanoboa defied conventional expectations by its sheer magnitude, challenging the role of gravity in size determination. Ordinarily, gravity constrains animals' size. Creatures don't reach 100-foot heights due to gravitational impact. Titanoboa disrupted this pattern, potentially exploiting aquatic environments for its colossal proportions. Consider the colossal blue whale, a giant due to the ocean's diminished gravitational influence. Titanoboa might have capitalized on a similar principle to attain its remarkable size. Imagine being a witness to history while dipping into a river, stumbling upon Titanoboa's skin along the riverbank, an indelible memory. These creatures were likely more aquatic than land-bound, resembling water-dwelling anacondas despite their similarities to modern boa constrictors. The predator's behavior adds to its mystique. Titanoboa mastered the art of ambush, utilizing immense strength to overpower its prey. Envision this ancient behemoth lying in wait, devouring giant turtles and even crocodiles. Their dietary preferences were diverse. The question of Titanoboa's extinction, however, remains unanswered, allowing speculation to flourish. Imagine the intrigue if these ancient giants coexisted with contemporary reptiles. Titanoboa's narrative is a tantalizing reminder of Earth's enigmatic past, where colossal serpents once roamed the planet's landscapes. And there you have it, folks. A journey into the past where we've encountered creatures that make even the most fearsome dinosaurs seem like cuddly companions. From the terror birds of South America to the aquatic nightmares lurking beneath the waves, our planet's history is truly a treasure trove of terror. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into prehistoric frights, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you want more hair-raising content, remember to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed, and remember, the world of the past is just as captivating as the one we know today.